Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Synchrony Savings account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Synchrony Savings account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in synchronybank.com and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Synchrony Savings login like this and hit enter. And after that, you can see we are on the home page of Synchrony Bank from the direct web address itself, and from the Google you can see the synchronybank.com on the first result of Google. Click there, and both of these sites are same. Let's close one of these. Now to log into your Synchrony Savings account from your computer, you can see the sign in button available over here. Click over there on sign in, and after that you can see the click here to sign into your Synchrony Savings account available over here. As for MasterCard users, also you can see the click here to sign into your Synchrony MasterCard. Now today we'll be logging into our Synchrony Savings account, so let's click on Savings Accounts and let's let the page load first. And you can see the secure login of Synchrony Bank. And now to log into your Synchrony Savings account, you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your Synchrony Savings account. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, you can see the forgot username or password over here. You can click either of those depending upon which one you lost. Or if you have not yet created an Synchrony Savings account, you can see the register for online access. Click over there to go through sign up procedure of Synchrony Savings account. Or if you are a credit card customer, you can see you need to click here to go to the credit card portal. And there guys, this is how you log into your Synchrony Savings account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.